In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Plus500. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to over here where it says trade in the top left, and you want to select all popular or whatever you want over here, and under popular, you should be able to find Bitcoin. If it's not over here, you can find it up top, so you can just type in Bitcoin, for example, and as you can see, it's over here. If you click on it, it's going to open up like this over here on the right. Now, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you have two options. When you click on it, you could either click on the chart when it populates down here and click on the buy button, or you could click on buy over here next to it, next to the price. And as you can see, the same side panel will open. Then you want to select the amount of contracts. So I'm just going to do 0.01 right now. You'll see the values, the margins, etc. You can then set your close at profits and close at loss if you wanna. And of course, down here you have the advanced, which is a trailing stop in pips, or you could also buy when a rate reaches a specific price. So here it's going to tell you that the order will automatically open a position once the rate reaches or surpasses the specified value. So I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to place a, of course, regular buy order. Then I'm going to click on the buy button over here, and that way I've successfully bought some Bitcoin, as you can see over here, and then you can see it inside your open positions. Bitcoin, here's my bought position. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.